Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here, you can set up contactless payment, add extra layer of security, add loyalty card, check what other apps are compatible with Google Pay, and manage all of your payment methods. If you go to payment, you can set up payment method, and in passes you can add additional cards. Then we've got activity. With our full activity, we can check full list of participating banks, and enter promo code. Then we've got settings. In general, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, edit your account info, privacy controls, and location settings. In notifications, you can enable or disable purchases, offers and tips, and updates about your passes notifications. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got your lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, about, and access to our Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.